Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to make your Instagram account public using your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you've been enjoying sharing your photos with a select group but are ready to open up your profile to a wider audience, follow these simple steps. First, open Instagram in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged in with your username and password. Once you're in, you'll see your home feed. Next, look for the More icon located on the left side menu of the screen. This icon typically appears as 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Click on it and a menu will expand, revealing several options. From there, navigate to Settings. This option is usually found at the bottom of the menu. Clicking on it will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Now, find the section labeled Account Privacy. Here's where the magic happens. Click on this option to access your privacy settings. You'll see an option for Private Account, which is likely enabled if you've been keeping your account private. To make your account public, simply disable the Private Account toggle. This action will allow anyone to view your posts and stories without needing to follow you first. A pop-up may appear asking you to confirm this change. Just click OK to finalize your decision. And that's it. You have successfully made your Instagram account public. Now, anyone who visits your profile can see all of your content, from photos to stories. Remember, if you ever want to revert back to a private account, you can follow these same steps and enable the private account option again. Opening up your account can be a great way to connect with more people and share your creativity with a broader audience. Enjoy exploring this new level of engagement on Instagram.